everyone, today I'm going to walk you through ALEKS. I know a lot of you are probably really familiar with ALEKS from last year if you were in Math 9 or in Algebra Concepts, but just in case you've forgotten, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get on. So you're going to go to Clever, click on the blue icon that's at the top right of your computer. It should be in the toolbars. Click on that. Log in with Google. Can't stress this enough. Please do not do your home email or try to type anything in. Just click log in with Google so you do your class your school email. You're going to scroll all the way down to Clever. You're going to find this ALEKS icon. You can favorite it to pop it to the top so you don't have to keep scrolling down to the bottom every time you log in. You're going to click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to have to log in. We will get you a login for your first time to make sure that everybody has the correct one for the new school year. Once you've logged in, you don't ever have to log in again. The last thing that you're going to do is it's going to prompt you to take a tutorial. I'm going to actually walk you through that. So you're going to take a tutorial. You're going to do a knowledge check, which will assess where you are, what strengths you have, what weaknesses you have. You want to make sure that you try your hardest on that, or else you will be put back levels that will be boring for you, things that you know, and will be ultimately a huge waste of your time if you don't take the knowledge check serious. So we're going to go ahead and enter the student view quickly. And I'm going to kind of move through things quick. You obviously will take your time on the knowledge check, but I want to kind of show you some other things. So you'll go through the tutorial. You'll get to the knowledge check, which is where I just went. I am going to skip knowledge check. Now, hopefully you do not do that. We will be able to see if you do that, so please do not do that. I am going to click that I have moderate knowledge. Okay, so the computer will do this for you, but this is what I'll see. It'll say, here are your results. These are the domain topics. So it shows me that I've mastered this much of that domain. I have 63 mastered, and I have 2 remaining that I need to learn. Okay, now I go somewhere over here. This shows you linear systems. I've only mastered 4 topics from my knowledge check. So I have 20 remaining. So I have a lot to learn there. Shows how many I've mastered out of the total. So I've mastered 51% of these topics. Now, if I click on that, it's going to keep telling me how to find things. This will show you all of the domains. If I continue, I can always go back here to look at this as well. You can kind of see that as you keep going. Over here it says start my path. You're going to get that prompt every time you come in. Okay, so this wants me to select a slice to get more information. You've unlocked the learning path. Go to the timeline to see it. And then here shows my learning path. Today is August 31st when I'm doing this. So it'll show me the graph will go up as I continue to learn new topics. So you're all set. I'm going to start my path, and it's going to give me a question. So please, please, please read the explanation. I cannot stress this enough. So often in class, people will come up to me and say, Mrs. Hauge, I can't get this one, or I can't get out of this topic. And I literally, all I do is read it out loud. And they're like, oh, okay. They forget that they need to read these explanations. So if you do that, and then you come down here, it's going to show you the answer. Click start, and it's going to take you to the question. Now, this is the bar up here that will show you when you've mastered a topic. So it shows you how many correct answers you need in a row. And it will keep track of it. If you do not remember, again, say that I skip forward and I think, oh man, this is, I think X to the 10th. That's not right. But I want to double check myself. So I'm going to go down here to explanation, and I'm going to click it again, and it'll take me back to that. Okay, so right here I see, oh no, it's not X to the 10th, it's actually X to the 12th. And then I can go back to practice. So I can toggle between both of those, and then I want to check my work, and it will tell me if I got it right or not. So U to the 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's say that I put that there. I'm going to click on exponent, check. Womp, womp, womp. Again, I must have forgotten something, right? So up here it says try again. I forgot that actually there's a 1 right above here that is invisible, and I cannot see that, right? So I'm going to try again. I'm going to change it to 8, recheck, and it'll show me that I've gotten it correct. So we would like for you to do these topics. We are requiring 60 minutes a week and 6 topics to be mastered. So please let us know